Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Facebook Marketplace limit reach problem. The first thing you should do is delete old or unimportant listings. If you have too many listings, Facebook may stop you from adding new ones. To delete a listing, open Facebook Marketplace. Then tap on the account icon in the top right corner. Select your listings. You will see all the items you have posted. Find the listing you want to delete. Tap on the three dots next to it and select Delete Listing. Do this for any listings that are old, inactive, or have no views. After removing the unnecessary ones, try to post again and see if your limit is fixed. If that does not work, the next step is to build more trust on your Facebook account. Facebook increases your listing limit when it sees consistent and positive activity. Try posting regularly on Marketplace, but avoid posting too many items at once. Spread your posts out over time. If you still cannot fix the problem after trying these steps, your last option is to contact the Facebook Help Center. Go to Facebook support and describe your issue clearly. Tell them that you are seeing the marketplace limit reached message even after removing old listings and being active on the platform. They may review your account and adjust your limit if everything looks fine. These steps usually help most people solve the marketplace limit problem. Thanks for watching.